I'm gonna shoot you.
Yeah. Jumpin', them boys up to something.
Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome back to my channel. This is Gallardo983 here. Today I got a special for you. It's going to be my review on the Tradenet program. The Tradenet is by Mayor Barack, as you can see over here. First of all, if you haven't subscribed already, go ahead and click subscribe on my channel. Click the bell button right next to it to stay notified of my new videos. So let's get started here. So the Tradenet program is by Mayor Barack. And so basically, he gives you a funded account. You can choose which program you want and how much amount, and basically you get to keep a percentage of the profits. And he teaches you. He has programs. He has videos. He has his own book called The Market Whisperer, and that's all included in the program. So I went ahead and bought this program because I saw ads on this, and I didn't really see any bad reviews on it. So I thought it was too good to be true, but I'll show you my honest review on this. Stay tuned and watch my video. So first thing, this is his website here. This is tradenet.com. Here you can see the different programs. If you go into the funded accounts, I chose the intro program, but let's go ahead and take a look at all of them. So here you can get the education, you can look at the trading room, you can see the reviews, and you can also get a 14-day free trial. And he also had the challenge. I believe it was a 1-week challenge where you have to make $500 with a minimum of 3 trades a day. And if you can pass that challenge, he'll give you an intro program for free. I'm not sure if that's challenge still there, but if you can see it on his YouTube videos, it should be there. So right here, basically you pay for the program. You don't have to deposit any of your own money. So the max amount you can lose is basically whatever we bought for the package. So I chose the intro program. There was a sale during Christmas time. That's when I started. I believe like a week or a couple days around before Christmas. So I had the intro program. So this one comes with a 14,000 funded live account with a minimum or maximum loss of $700, and you get to keep up to 70% of the profits that you generate. And these programs go up. The next one is a student program, so these come with 80,000, and the next one's going to be 160. Next one's 240,000. So the price of this is the max you can lose, and each one has a different max loss limit on the account. So if you do go above this max loss, then the account closes, but you do get to keep all the core studies and all the programs, and you can always buy it again, I believe. So I chose the intro program, and I just want to jump in and take a look at it and see how it is. And I've had really good experience so far. So this is my 1 month review, but this intro program is great if you don't know how to day trade and you just want to get into it, or if you're just starting out trading and you don't have that much money, or if you don't have that much time, or say you're working a 9 to 5 job and you want to trade here and there, take some swing trades. This is great because say you don't want to have a job, 9 to 5 job, you're looking for a job in your home right now. This is amazing because you're paying just for this, and investing in yourself is always great. So you pay for this, and he basically tells you what to trade on this live day trading channel, and we'll take a look at that next. Step is looking at the education. This is the most important part. Not a lot of trading rooms have this education. Basically, they'll just be like, pay this amount and we'll tell you trade this, trade that. They won't really educate you or show you why to take the trades they take, or explain the trades. It's basically like blank. It's not that in depth. But Mayor Barack, what he does is he tries to teach you like one-on-one. He wants you to learn the basis of the trades before you start trading. He'll give you that intro. All the packages come with a practice account, so you can practice as much as you want. And you also do get to keep the live funded account forever. You don't have to pay ever again, unless you lose the account. but the maximum loss. So you get to keep that account forever. So what you pay for the funded account, that's a one-time thing. So you can keep this for the rest of your life. So the self-study course offers a lot of courses on day trading, investing, swing trading, and looking at the charts and patterns. It starts from the basics, like if you have no knowledge of trading, you can jump into that, and it'll go step by step. And it also has a mentorship program. A lot of experts will teach you one-on-one, and you get a full mentorship into the trading room. And then the next thing is going into the Tradenet Academy. So this is included with the intro program, uh, or you can buy this separately for this amount. You can look at the dashboard and you can look at the self-study course. So if you click on that, you can go ahead and look at the different topics, the introduction, and it'll go into market indices. Basically, it starts off with the basics. Like he doesn't care if you have no knowledge or if you're a professional. He wants you to understand everything, get the right education so you can take the right trades and make the amount of money that you want to. So long and short, Wall Street. So it talks about the candles, and then it gets into more depth later on. So this was really great. I was decently experienced before. I had more than a year of trading experience, so I didn't really use this trading course that much, but I did look around and it's really great. He also has his book on here. It's called The Market Whisperer, and that's included in the course. So the next thing, I'm going to show you the trading room and how he trades on there. This is the trading room. Right now it's past the market hours. It's actually around midnight. So you can't really see the stuff that goes on in the chat. But basically what it is you can type here, you can talk to the people, you can actually talk with Mayor or anyone. The main people will be posted up here. They'll have the picture there, and you can see the rest of the people in the chat. And you'll see their calls right here. They'll say buy above this or sell below this or short or long stock, and they'll have a voice and the video. He'll show his screen, he'll share his screen, he'll show you his trades, he'll show you how much he made, how much he lost, what is trading, and when he gets in, when he gets out. They usually call it out like a minute or two before the trade. Sometimes they'll call it way sooner, or sometimes they'll call it a couple of seconds. So you really have to make sure you have good internet and make sure that you're actively listening. Get a good pair of headphones, or just have good speakers and make sure you're looking at that carefully. So this is really good. This is the trading program right here. This is software. This is Colmex Trader, Colmex TFS Trader. So you can set it up. This is like kind of like Dash Trader. So this is a day trading program. You can set the screen up however you want. You can have a trade screen, buy screen. You can set this up however you want. It's really easy to get started with. You can start with the practice program, and that will allow you to jump into it and get used to it. And he wants you to practice about a week first, and then jump into the live trading. So the next thing, we're going to take a look at how much I actually made. This is a good and fun part. Here's the fun part, taking a look at how much money I made in the course. So I started, so it went from 2017 to 2018, as I told you. I started around Christmas time. So let's take a look over here. So the first day I started was right here, the December 18th. That's the first day I started trading on the live account. I did practice for a couple days before, but I didn't really need that much practice with the program. I needed more practice with the live trading, with their trading calls. So the first day right here, I made $83, and the commissions were $27, so I made $55 that day. That was the first day right there. And then as you go on right here, the third day I had a loss, and these were all wins. All losses are the ones in the red. So that's 18 to 31. It's 13 days. Out of those 13 days I had 3 losses. So that's great because I didn't have too much practice with the day trading, but I had some knowledge. I had because I do more of investing and swing trading, but this program has been great. Commissions, you got to be careful on that because they are $1.50 per trade, so commissions do add up. So when you're like this, on days like this where commissions are close to your profits, if you have a lot of trades, you're only netting that much. So for in 2017, that was my gross P&L. So that's 363.70, and the commissions were that much. So my total that I actually made was this. So it took around like little less than half or a little more than half of that. So the account started at 14,000 and it ended at 14,177, and that's in the course of 2 weeks right there. And that's just me starting out because I took small share size. You can choose how many shares you take. You can choose what trades you take. You don't have to take all of them. And then when we go into 2018, let me log back in here. Okay, so log me out. But in 2018, what happened was I had a couple of losses, and what happened was a couple of days it was all going great, and then I got greedy, and then I lost some. So I am below 14,000 right now. I believe I'm at 13,000, like 700 something. So I went from being up around 200 to being minus 300. But that is my honest. Nobody else is going to show you their P&L, but that is my honest review on this. So that's why I'm showing you all the numbers and how much I made and how much I lost. So this is a 2017. 2018, I might do another video on this. I'm going to continue this program. Hopefully I can make more. I'm going to take bigger share size. So the next thing, I'll show you a conclusion on this. So I did find a screenshot on one of my days. This is from January 12th, as you can see right here. So they took a lot of trades that day, but I didn't take all of them. I only stayed on for about like half hour to 1 hour in the morning, and this is how much I made right there. So each trade you can see right here. I believe it took about 30 to 50 shares on each one. See, these were big ones, so I couldn't take that many. I took 30 shares on these, and I took 50 on these. And this one I added, but all of that you can do later once you get adjusted to it and learn the basics. So my total P&L that day was like about 45, and my commissions were 15, so I ended up making 30 bucks there. So you can see right there, they're all in the green. One of these was in the red first, and then it went back up, and I stayed with their call. I stayed in with them. They said to stay in, and they said, all right, sell here. That's when I sold, and then I ended up profiting. So that's what I like about this chat room. They post all their trades, and in the voice chat they show you. So the last thing, you can also look at his videos. He'll show you stock picks. So these are for the swing trades or investing. He'll tell you buy above this price, sell at this point. And he also puts up videos where he does the trades. He'll show you how much he made that day. So one of these days right here, this is 5 days ago, he made 2,000 in 2 hours. He makes like really good money every day. So if you can follow his trades, you can definitely use this as a main job. You can quit your job and make this your 9 to 5, and you only have to work like 1 or 2 hours in the morning, and you can work from home, work from anywhere. So this is great, guys. My honest review, I would say that this is a 10 out of 10. I've never seen a chat room like this where they have so much education and so much people helping you out, and he's a really great guy. He's really nice. You can chat with him, and he's also really funny. He has like 3-4 other people, and they also have good trades. One of my favorite is Scott on there. He has really good trades. So go ahead and take the 14-day free trial. You got nothing to lose. You don't have to put any of your money in the trial. But if you are doing it, I would go with the intro program or with the student program if you have a little more experience. If you're a professional, I would go with the expert or pro program. Because this one is only 14,000, but if you're just starting out, that is a lot. So take small share size, and yeah, that's it. So I've found this trading room really amazing. I'm going to be staying with them for the rest of my trading career for day trading. I really like their personal mentorship and that they have their live funded account, because what do you really have to lose? You can only lose this amount. If you're funding it with your own money, you're losing maybe like thousands, tens of thousands, hundreds of thousands, maybe more. But here, that's your max amount that you're losing. So I would say this is a 10 out of 10. I've had really good experience with this. I'm definitely going to stay with them for the rest of my trading career. If you want to watch more videos, I'll make them on my channel. I'll take a video of my live trading and I'll show you more reviews. So this is my first month. If you guys want to join me, go ahead. I'll make more reviews on this and more videos. Alright guys, thanks for watching. This is my honest review on the Tradenet.